Welcome to Roatan, Honduras, where the ocean and the land are in perfect harmony. Where living on the edge of the water is common to us, but a luxury for most. Where the word beauty, fascinating, gorgeous are understatements. Where the rocks on the reef are your only compass. Where the tunnels that you see will have you in disbelief. Where the color from the sand to the ocean is perfectly blended. Where the roads of a highway are only the ones that you can imagine. Where the islands in the middle of the ocean are your only type of commotion. Where you can experience peace, quiet, and silence. Where the west end of the island does not mean the end of the experience. Where you can visit long stretch beach as far as your eyes can see. If this is not the Roatan that you imagine, we'll let this video paint you a better picture. So grab your favorite beverage, your favorite snack, sit back and enjoy the video. Alright guys, so we're here at the famous circle, the West End Circle. As soon as you get to that circle, is the big sign that says West End. You already know you're in West End. Alright, so just show you guys the area a little bit if you're not familiar with it. Hopefully through these videos you can get familiar. Oh, that's nice out there. What's that? Let's see that. It's nice weather to be out here anyway. Alright, so we're just gonna take a stroll down this area. Alright guys, so give me a quick tour of West End. Alright. Everybody is out and about to get hit by a motorcycle. No ma'am, okay. Alright. So got your boy here singing, hitting them tunes. Streets of West End in the daytime. Like I said before, everything come alive at night. Rusty fish here. All right, so basically I think they take recycling stuff from the ocean. They clearly state we have nothing from China. That's good. Oh, anyway. All right. Thai elephant, Thai blue elephant. All right, it's a new restaurant here in West End. Look like it's right next to French cigar bar. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay, sound good. All right.
So always the cops in there, you know.
See, there's always the cops here to interrupt. So look at the guy was telling us that the club open from 7 till 10, and if the cops don't come, it can go to midnight. So just getting a little vibe of the streets right now in West End. Daytime vibes. They have a road market here. If you don't get that road market, you get already? Got road market. That's a new building here. It looks like they're trying to build another new building next to the road market. Right over there. Alright. Guy said he was selling shrimps there. So everything is moving and grooving. Got the gift shops. This is where you can come and get your diving equipment, look like, Cressy's. You come there and get your diving equipment. West End is more of a diving area. Roatan alone is more of a diving area, so it's like one of the biggest reefs in the Caribbean. So Roatan is like an area you want to come and do your diving. All right, that's what it's known for, really. Second largest reef barrier, so that's what it's known for. So you will see a lot of dive shacks and dive stores. All right, for example, right to our left here we got West End Divers. All right, quick tour here. This is more a walk and talk, you know, describing to you the area. Got Splashing Dive Resorts. So they have a restaurant down there, and they got the diving resort right here to the left, right in front of their shop. Water taxi here, so if you want, you can take a water taxi from West Bay to West End, and the prices is right there. You can see it's $3 one way per person, and then it's $5 after sunset. It's $5 after sunset. All right, so this is a water taxi to West Bay, and you can notice they got all type of tours too. They got all type of tours up there. They got the Blue Channel snorkeling, horseback riding, capuchino, dolphins, mangrove. They don't got the mangrove though, but I got the mangrove. Book with me if you want to go to mangrove. And to your right here we got Booty Bar. This is the spot. How you doing? This is the spot where everybody come, really, the Booty Bar. All right. To the right here is the restaurant, and to the left here is the actual bar that you'll go and dance and have a good time. So that's Booty Bar there. It's really calm on this side of the island though. I don't know for some reason, but on the other side of the island it's tight rough, you know. Just giving you guys a little tour of this West End area on the daytime, man. Daytime. At night, like I said, it's real crazy at night. If you haven't seen the videos yet, go. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
All right.
And you're not get it? And you're not put it on there?
No, I get it though. I just hear it in the camera. This is jet ski weather on this side of the island. Real smooth jet ski weather. Hope you guys are enjoying this so far. If you like the video, the content that I'm putting out, make sure you hit that thumbs up, okay? If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're planning on coming to Roatan, you know, this is the channel for you. I'll show you the raw and uncut style of Roatan. Yeah, we're just taking a stroll down here, enjoying the weather, enjoying the scenery. All right, that look like a little restaurant, stand-up restaurant there, grab and go food. Okay, please do not leave your trash, okay? So if you guys come to the beach at night where there's nobody like that, make sure you pick your trash up. We don't want no trash out here.
Después de eso, también tenemos otra bonita actividad que es el canopy, el zip line.
We just did a little quick interview there with one of the tour guys here in West End about all the tours that he offered. We are in front of Agora right now. Agora, nice club to come and relax your mind, your body and soul. We go in there, Harry's Hideaway. So if you haven't seen that video on Honduras nightlife, go watch that video and you can see this area at night. Happy Harry's Hideaway there. If you are new to the channel, you can start with this video here. If you have been following me, you can continue with this video here.